How to log in JustWatch account. Signing in or login to JustWatch account is quite easy and simple. Simply follow all the steps till the end of the video so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. First, you need to install and download the application and make sure you have already created account on JustWatch. So let's launch JustWatch application on the device. On this welcome page or the home page of JustWatch, tap on the profile icon or the settings icon at top right corner of the screen. On this profile section, tap sign in or create account button at top of the screen. And here you need to sign in with social accounts, that is Google or Facebook, or you can also enter your credential, that is your email and password. Once you enter all your credentials, tap on the sign in button at the bottom of the screen. If you forget your password, tap on the link below and easily reset your password from there. And again, you can enter it there. So let's tap on the sign in button. Now you have to allow JustWatch to send you notification if you wish to, otherwise tap on allow button. And now you have successfully signed in or logged into JustWatch account. That's it. That's how we easily sign into the account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then the like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.